Dear ladies, dear gentlemen, I would have liked to be with you at the Wellbeing Economy Forum where you are discussing the various dimensions of well-being. However, we are in a very busy period in Brussels in finalizing the anti-poverty strategy, which is to be adopted on the 6th of May. The first ever EU anti-poverty strategy will be at the core of the social package, together with the strengthening of the European Child Guarantee and the proposal for a Council recommendation on fighting housing exclusion. All of three documents will aim at speeding up the progress towards reaching the 2030 poverty reduction target, and also pave the way for helping to eradicate severe forms of poverty by 2050. We are not starting from scratch, but can build on a comprehensive set of recent EU initiatives such as the Minimum Wage Directive, the Minimum Income Council recommendation, the European Child Guarantee recommendation, and the Commission communication on distributional impact assessment, just to mention a few of them. The EU anti-poverty strategy will build on all of these initiatives and also is going to develop the approach by following elements: combining a supportive and preventive approach. Addressing poverty for us means supporting those who are in poverty today and also preventing others from falling in, for example, the lower middle class. In particular, in the context of worrying rising cost of living. Recognizing that poverty is multidimensional, it is not only about income, but also about access to employment, access to services or food. There are also other barriers to moving out of poverty, like health issues, stigma, and addressing them is a key for breaking the cycle of intergenerational transmission of poverty. Mainstreaming the fight against poverty in policy making is a key element as well. With a view to address the root causes of poverty, the strategy will need to go beyond social inclusion policies and address poverty more systematically by also covering other policy areas like housing, energy, transport, support to urban and rural areas, access to health, long-term care, childcare, access to education and training. Engaging national and local authorities, the strategy will engage member states at national, regional and local levels to step up their fight against poverty and provide them with tools, also with a view to the most effective spending of the EU funding under the present and the next MFF. A participatory approach is important. Combining and combating poverty requires joint efforts, public and private. We need to add philanthropic associations as well. All the levels, national, regional, local, public authorities, social partners, civil society organizations. And also we need to tap into the expertise of those who are experiencing poverty at the first hand. As you can see, there are many touch points with the topics you are discussing more in depth at the forum. I wish you a fruitful discussion. Thank you very much.